Hongyu Chang. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate my final project for a CS7637 or knowledge-based AI. For my final project, I built an AI agent to solve Maven's progressive matrices. This is one of the examples, 3 by 3 question. Here it's Maven's progressive matrix. On Wikipedia, you can learn more about it here. I kind of take it a little beyond. I made a web interface. I could do it all in Python, but I did it in Vue.js because this is a very popular front-end framework I wanted to learn because, again, it's made by my Chinese brothers and sisters, so I want to give it a try. So I actually built the front-end using that framework. It's very easy to learn. I learned it this morning as I finished up my final project this morning, so it's really easy to learn, very powerful. In the backend, I turned my terminal or black and white project, had it API interface, so it could be able to handle the calls from the web API. So without further ado, let's jump into it. We're gonna start. So I also opened the network tab on the developer tool, so you can see each and every API call to my backend. Again, this is not necessary, or I say necessary, not required by the final project, but I believe it's necessary because as a computer science student, we have to make things presentable or more like business oriented, so we can reach to broader audience and they can see it, and it's much easier to see it than explain what it is. So as you can see on the left side, it's the problem or the problem itself, and on the right hand side it's the answers that my agent is picking to answer each question, which highlights in green. So it's gonna go through 4 sets of problems, and the set B, it's the 2 by 2 problems, and from set B, which is from set C to set E, it's all 3 by 3 problems. While doing this project, I really enjoyed doing this, even though I'm not an expert in digital image processing, but because of that, I learned a lot of digital image processing using OpenCV, Pillow, as well as NumPy. Yes, NumPy is our friends here. And on top of that, I really enjoy the topic of knowledge-based artificial intelligence. It's meant to build, unlike other schools of AI, KBAI means to build human-level, human-like artificial intelligence, just like us, who's situated in the world. We don't learn, like other schools of AI, bunch of data to train the bot and be able to answer questions. Knowledge-based AI is to learn incrementally. Let's say I learn what the shape of a circle or a square, and we learn the pattern, the image transformation. As we learn, we capture that in our memory, or we build a knowledge representation. Then we have some basic reasoning skill, so we can reason over each question. And then we make our selection based on our knowledge, reasoning, and we make our selection. Then we get feedback from the world. Whether it's right answer or wrong, it informs the learning. So this is a circular process in knowledge-based AI. Again, we're trying to build human-level, human-like artificial intelligence. We're almost there. We're approaching to the end. So this Mona Lisa, again, I used to have a question mark there but my question mark drawing isn't very beautiful to look at. I want to put something beautiful to look at. I decided to put Mona Lisa there. We're finishing up. I think 6 more to go. After this, I will show you how does it work, like in a terminal fashion, which runs very fast. It answered all 48 questions in about 7 seconds. I submitted my code in Gradescope, so you can check it out there. But yeah, that's my project. That's my demo for my final project. Yeah, so I come here, I run this. It could be faster, less than the 7 seconds that shows you on the screen previously. It's actually slower. But anyway, that's my final project for, keep forgetting the course number, CS7637. I really enjoy this course. I learned a lot. Again, thanks a lot for my teaching team this semester long. I have a lot of support and I learned a lot once again. Thanks very much. Bye.